Hey viewers, are you ready to dive into the wild wonders of nature while boosting your vocabulary? Let's get started. Forest. A forest is a large area covered chiefly with trees, plants, and diverse wildlife species. Forest. Mountain. A mountain is a tall, natural elevation of the Earth's surface, often with a peak. Mountain. River. A river is a flowing, natural stream of water that travels toward a larger body of water. River. Ocean. An ocean is a vast, interconnected body of salt water covering much of Earth's surface. Ocean. Valley. A valley is a low area between hills or mountains, often with a river running through it. Valley. Desert. A desert is a dry, barren area of land with little rainfall and sparse vegetation. Desert. Glacier. A glacier is a massive, slow-moving body of ice formed from compacted snow. Glacier. Canyon. A canyon is a deep, narrow valley with steep sides, often carved by a river. Canyon. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded entirely by water. Island. Waterfall. A waterfall is water flowing over a vertical drop or cliff, often in a stream or river. Waterfall. Lagoon. A lagoon is a shallow body of water separated from a larger sea by sand or reefs. Lagoon. Cliff. A cliff is a steep rock face, often along the edge of the sea or a mountain. Cliff. Volcano. A volcano is a mountain or hill with an opening that erupts lava, ash, and gases. Volcano. Jungle. A jungle is a dense tropical forest with tangled vegetation and diverse wildlife. Jungle. Meadow. A meadow is a grassy field often blooming with wildflowers and open space. Meadow. Swamp. A swamp is a wetland area with waterlogged soil and lush vegetation. Swamp. Prairie. A prairie is a large open area of grassland, often in North America. Prairie. Beach. A beach is a sandy or pebbly shore by the ocean, sea, or lake. Beach. Stream. A stream is a small flowing body of water, often leading to a river. Stream. Cave. A cave is a hollow space in the ground or rock, often naturally formed. Cave. Pond. A pond is a small, still body of water, smaller than a lake. Pond. Bay. A bay is a coastal inlet or body of water partially surrounded by land. Bay. Coral. Coral is a marine organism forming reefs in shallow, warm ocean waters. Coral. Geyser. A geyser is a natural spring ejecting hot water and steam into the air. Geyser. Estuary. An estuary is a coastal area where a river meets the sea, mixing salt and fresh water. Estuary. Hill. A hill is a naturally raised area of land, lower and smaller than a mountain. Hill. Coast. A coast is the land along the edge of an ocean or sea. Coast. Tundra. A tundra is a cold, treeless biome with permafrost and low vegetation. Tundra. Dune. A dune is a hill of sand formed by wind, often found in deserts or coastal areas. Dune. Marsh. A marsh is a wetland dominated by grasses and reeds, often near rivers or coasts. Marsh. Peak. A peak is the highest point of a mountain or hill. Peak. Plateau. A plateau is a flat, elevated area of land rising above the surrounding terrain. Plateau. Grassland. A grassland is an open area dominated by grasses, with few trees. Grassland. Savanna. A savanna is a tropical grassland with scattered trees and seasonal rainfall. Savanna. Basin. A basin is a natural depression in the Earth's surface, often holding water or drained by a river system. Basin. Rainforest. A rainforest is a dense, tropical forest with lush greenery, hosting abundant wildlife and heavy rainfall. Rainforest. Mangrove. A mangrove is a tropical tree thriving in coastal swamps and tidal zones, protecting shorelines and ecosystems. Mangrove. Shoal. A shoal is a shallow area in water, formed by sand or reef, often a hazard to navigation or a habitat for fish. Shoal. Grove. A grove is a cluster of trees, naturally growing or planted, often in parks, orchards, or near water sources. Grove. Pebble. A pebble is a small, smooth stone, rounded by water or erosion, commonly found along riverbeds and shorelines. Pebble. Soil. Soil is the Earth's fertile top layer, composed of minerals, organic matter, and nutrients essential for plants. Soil. Rock. A rock is a solid mass of minerals forming Earth's crust, varying in size, type, and use for construction. Rock. Sky. The sky is the vast atmospheric expanse above Earth, appearing blue by day and filled with stars by night. Sky. Cloud. A cloud is a visible mass of water droplets or ice crystals in the atmosphere, forming shapes in the sky. Cloud. Horizon. The horizon is the distant line where the Earth's surface seems to meet the sky, often seen at sea. Horizon. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.